Hello, my name is Chani and I will introduce you about this 6-axis robot arm. Let's talk about these frames. My friend in our Arduino club modeled these frames and printed it. First, these two white frames are printed by Project 4500. It is powder print and I printed it for this plate part and center part. And other blue frames are printed by filament printer. It is printed by RBX1 printer. And let's talk about these servos. It has 6 servos, one is here, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and this motor's name is MG996R, and it is usually used for RC cars, but I used these motors to make this robot arm. And these robot arms are controlled by this Arduino board, and it is power supplied by this SMPS. It can be controlled by 2 ways. First, it can be computer programmed. First, I program it with this computer and it can be controlled automatically, like you see at the first video. And then second way to control this robot arm is to use this controller. It is made by these 6 potentiometers, and it can copy this controller's movement, like this. So it can copy this motion. And thank you for watching.